Welcome to Small Lathe. Well, this is no lathe project. This is a cabochon. This is made from agate stone. It has this lovely sort of wavy shapes in there, sort of a different color. It looks like clouds, and you have this blackish thing here that looks like a bird. So I really like this cabochon, and I bought it from eBay. Now I want to turn it. As you can see, it's pretty smooth. I want to turn this into a pendant. And this is not going to be a lathe project. Actually, it's going to be a small challenge. It's a challenge for you guys to make something for your wife, something she will love. And we'll do it very low tech. I have a piece of stainless steel. We're going to use some resin to bind it over here. It's going to be really simple, really fast. So there goes a nice little box. You can buy these off of eBay or Amazon or whatever. And I think that's going to be a nice gift. Basically, I'm going to give it to her in I think it's going to be in 3 months time. But she's not a member of this channel, so she won't know about it. So here we go. I'm going to let it sit. Just making sure it's in the right place. One last look at it, and off we go. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day.